Hey guys, today I'll be unboxing and reviewing this 2K security camera by Arpha. This camera has 3 megapixels. It shoots in 2K resolution. It works with Alexa. It's got a magnetic bracket that comes with it. I'm going to get everything out of the box and show you what you get inside. Alright, so here's everything you get in the box. You get a really long cable. It's USB-C. You get a power brick, which I love. Those never come with anything I buy, so that's a plus. You get your mounting screws for your metal plate, and you get the camera. Now this camera is fully articulating. You can spin it and turn it however you want. Also, you get the instruction booklet, and on the back of the package, there's a QR code there for you to download the app. So I'm going to download the app, and I'll show you a few things about it. All right, the app was really easy to download and set up. All you have to do is pair the camera on your Wi-Fi network. And I'm here in my bedroom at work. I work EMS, so we have bedrooms here. The camera quality is really nice. You can take pictures. It looks great. I'm impressed. All right, and the camera also has a night mode. You can switch it on or off, or it can come on automatically. It's got 6 built-in IR lights. It makes everything really bright in darkness. It's really cool.